In the present time, a thorough knowledge of language combined with strong communication skills is essential in any occupation or business. As a student, studying any language is beneficial, but it is crucial to be proficient in reading, writing, speaking, and listening to communicate effectively. Being multilingual can significantly enhance your ability to interact with people globally. Learning English, in particular, can help you communicate with those who understand English, in addition to your mother tongue, the language you have been exposed to since birth. Verbal communication involves the use of spoken words to convey messages. This can happen face to face, over the phone, through video calls, or in group settings such as meetings and presentations. Example scenario: team meeting situation. A project manager holds a team meeting to discuss the progress of a project. Advantages of verbal communication: clarity and immediate feedback, allows for quick clarification and immediate response. Emotional connection, facilitates personal connections and the conveyance of emotions. Persuasiveness, effective in influencing and persuading others. Disadvantages of verbal communication: misunderstandings, can be prone to misinterpretation, especially if not articulated clearly. Lack of permanent record, spoken words are transient and may be forgotten or misremembered. Distractions, external noises or interruptions can hinder effective communication. Nonverbal communication involves conveying messages without the use of spoken words. It includes facial expressions, body language, gestures, posture, eye contact, and other visual cues. This form of communication often complements verbal communication and can provide additional context or emotional nuance to the message being conveyed. Examples of nonverbal communication: facial expressions, smiling during a conversation. Advantages of nonverbal communication: complementary, enhances and reinforces verbal messages. Emotional expression, conveys emotions and feelings more effectively than words alone. Universal understanding, certain nonverbal cues, like facial expressions, are universally understood across cultures. Disadvantages of nonverbal communication: ambiguity, can be easily misinterpreted due to cultural differences or personal perceptions. Incompleteness, may not convey complex ideas as effectively as verbal communication. Dependency, can depend on context. Without context, nonverbal cues might be confusing or misleading. Visual communication involves the use of visual elements to convey information, ideas, and messages. This includes images, graphs, charts, videos, diagrams, and other visual aids that can simplify complex information and enhance understanding. Example scenario: business presentation situation. A marketing manager presents the quarterly performance report to the executive team using visual communication. Advantages of visual communication: engagement, visual elements like images, videos, and infographics can capture and hold the audience's attention better than text alone. Memorability, people often remember visual information longer than verbal or written information due to the strong impact of visual memory. Universal appeal, visuals can transcend language barriers and be understood by people from different linguistic backgrounds. Efficiency, visuals can quickly convey information, making them ideal for summarizing data and presenting key points succinctly. Disadvantages of visual communication: interpretation variability, visuals can be interpreted differently by different people, leading to potential misunderstandings. Dependency on quality, the effectiveness of visual communication heavily depends on the quality and design of the visuals. Poorly designed visuals can confuse rather than clarify.